Hi viewers, we're gonna open blind bags.
Yep.
And they have rare ones, and I got 2 rare ones. Not 2, maybe 4. I don't know. Anyway, I'm opening first.
Okay, sure. Let's see who gets the rarer thingy.
Oh, I got a baby cat.
Okay, cool.
Wait.
Right.
Kill.
Let me see what I got. Wait, what? I got the blue cat. Yeah. Yours is
Hey! That's like the gender reveal.
And what does green mean?
I got a baby turtle. You can have that, I want it.
Oh, sure. Rosie. After throwing it away.
I'm gonna open mine under the table.
I got a green cat. Why am I getting so much cats?
That's not a cat, that's a frog. I'm opening mine under the table. Okay, close your eyes, close your eyes. You see first. Anything good? Oh, I got a baby seal.
Blueberry octopusini.
It's not really that cute though.
Yeah, it's actually
Kind
kind
of
of
ugly.
ugly, yeah. Let me just open. Wait, I'm going after, bro. So you have to wait until I do it.
I got a big fat bunny.
A big fat bunny.
I'm going to call it Bonnie.
Bro, what is my luck with the cats? I got another cat. Bro.
Let me see. Oh, that's actually cute though.
Yeah. It looks like
Hey, I got a frog too. Oh, and earlier on I got this little
catty.
bear.
Oh, it's a bit. Oh.
It's super cute. Anyway, we're going to do part 2 on this, so don't be mad if we didn't get any rares.
Yeah, I'm
Because
sorry.
we're going to do it in other videos.
Oh, I got a rare. Oh my god.
Oh, you got a pink chicky chick.
Yeah, this is one of the rare ones.
And look, I got a really rare one.
What?
It's a yellow baby chick.
Give me that.
No, it's mine.
Oh, come on, bro.
Okay, we can trade.
Okay, here, let's trade.
Hmm.
Oh, can I trade?
No, actually, no.
Can I trade for this bunny boon?
What do you want for it?
I'll give you my turtle.
But that's my turtle.
I'll give you this bear. I'll give you this rare one for the bunny.
Oh, she. Okay.
Oh,
We don't have that much time. Okay, no, it's fine. We'll do part 2. We'll do part 2.
Yep, we'll do part 2. Bye. Just before. I got this